Welcome to Reviews and Info by Ash. Today I'm going to review about a vacuum cleaner. Come on, let's watch the video. So viewers, you can see this one. This is the vacuum cleaner. This is Eureka Forbes X-Force Euroclean vacuum cleaner. You can see this is well packed. This is an unboxing video. I have bought it from Amazon for rupees 7,750 rupees, but the actual cost of this vacuum cleaner is rupees 9,500 rupees. I got rupees 1,000 discount being Great Indian Sale offer. So if you use the bank card, you get 10% off. So I got rupees 1,000 back. So it was for 8,500 I bought it, and cashback offer rupees 750 I have got. So totally I got around 1,750 discount. This is a very good discount, and I would recommend all of you to buy it from Amazon or from Flipkart rather than buying it from showroom, because you get at least around 15 to 18% discount from the actual price. So I have bought it for rupees 7,750 rupees. It's a very good deal. And now I'm just opening this box to show you how this vacuum cleaner is. This is a big vacuum cleaner, very suitable for large houses, office and house, everywhere you can use it. It has both suction as well as blower, so that is something which needs to be taken into account, because you need both blower and suction for different purposes, for different uses when you clean your home or office. So this is really very good. So this is how it looks. This is the box of X-Force vacuum cleaner. You can see the box. It's well packed and it has been sent. It's a big box because the machine is also bigger. So you have really good value for this machine. It is worth the amount what you have spent. So I will just open this box and I will show you the accessories or attachments which you get with this machine, as well as the machine. Both of that I will show to you. So now I'll just cut open the box. So let us see what are the other things it contains apart from the vacuum cleaner. So I'm just cutting it. So this is a vacuum cleaner which can be bought from Amazon. This vacuum cleaner has been in the market for more than 2 years, I suppose. So this is really a good vacuum cleaner, and I would recommend everyone to buy this vacuum cleaner if the budget permits, because it has both blower and suction in it, and not only that, it has more attachments. So here it is. I've opened it. Now you can see this vacuum cleaner attachments have been kept in this box, and the list is already there. Totally 13 items are there in this. The accessories are totally 13 in number. So it's given very clearly and it's packed properly. Always ensure that you check the items when you buy anything. Always check everything is there in that as per the whatever is the sale is. So here if you see, all the attachments have been kept, has been packed. So I'm going to check the attachments. All the attachments have been kept in this box. It has been listed out, so the list should match the attachments which have been kept inside. So I am going to check all the 13 attachments. So let me see what are the attachments which have been given with this vacuum cleaner. So to begin with, this is the first one. This is used for car cleaning. Then you have this elbow type of attachment. Then you have this crevice to clean the nook and corner of you can use it in this vacuum cleaner. So as you can see, then I will see what else it has. So this is again one more elbow has been given. It is easy to use. This is the brush which has been given. You can use it. Then This is one more car cleaning object. So then you have this spray. It is more of a perfume spray. Then this is the bottle in which you can fill up water and spray it. You can use it for garden area. Then this is one more item which is there, a floor cleaner. I suppose it is a floor cleaner. Then you have carpet cleaner. Carpet cleaner, floor cleaner have been given separately. Then you have a brush to clean curtains. Then you have the extension pipes. There are two pipes, so you can extend and attach it one after the other and use it to reach the floor as well as to reach the roof. So it can be used like that. So totally 13 items are there. Well, it is matching. The list as well as the number of items are matching. Really good. Now I'm going to keep it aside, and now this is the vacuum cleaner. You can see the vacuum cleaner as well as the hose. Always ensure that the hose has no damages. The hose has to be really good, only then the suction power and blowing power will be good. So always ensure that when you buy a vacuum cleaner, check the hose, check it thoroughly, look at it, the minute eye for detail that has to be there. You check the hose well. So the hose seems to be good. Yes, hose is really good. So now I'll keep the hose aside. I'm going to remove the vacuum cleaner. So now finally I remove the vacuum cleaner from the box. I'm going to place it on the floor. So it has been packed very well. So this is the vacuum cleaner, X-Force Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner, and it is gray and black color. That is the color it is sold in. So it has totally 3 wheels, 2 big wheels and 1 small wheel to maneuver it. It's easy to maneuver. So you can see this is it. This is the switch which has been given. On and off switch is there, right side, and left side is to recoil the plug point. So the cord can be recoiled using this button. So this is what is the vacuum cleaner. This is the handle which has been given. You can easily lift the vacuum cleaner. Then you see this is the switch which has been given. There are dots 1, 2, 3, 5 is as per the force which you can use it. You can increase the power. And these are the LED lights. Totally 5 lights have been given. So according to usage it will burn. So this is the LED light, and you can see now I'm showing it to you, and this is the suction part of it. Blower has to be fixed in the rear side and suction has to be fixed on the front side. This is the on and off switch, and this is the called recoil switch. Now I'm going to open the front part. Inside, if you see, you can see that it has only one bag. Only one bag has been given. You have to wash and use the bag. If you want other bags, you have to buy the bags. And then you have a user manual. No CD has been given. Only user manual seems to be there. Yes, only user manual is there. I don't know why they have stopped giving CD. So this is what the vacuum cleaner contains. It's really a good vacuum cleaner. Very useful, very good vacuum cleaner. A must buy. Please buy this vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching Reviews and Info by Ash. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and post your comments.